Let's set up a receipt printer. Open the navigation drawer and tap Utilities. The Printers tab shows the printer configuration. Choose your connection type, network or USB. For a network printer, enter the printer's IP address in the IP address field. The default port is 9100, which works for most receipt printers. Tap Test Print to verify the connection. If the test page prints, your printer is ready. You can also use Scan Network to automatically discover printers on your network. Tap Save Settings to keep your configuration.